Hello,
Welcome, I am here to guide you on coronavirus questions.
what is COVID?
COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China, in December 2019.
How can I test coronavirus?
I didn't understand. You can try rephrasing.
Tell me about the symptoms.
COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness.
I have a cough.
Who advised to monitor health? If you have any symptoms related to COVID, then you should definitely need to go for the test.
What is isolation process?
Isolation is used for people with COVID-19 symptoms or who have tested positive for the virus. Being in isolation means being separated from other people, ideally in a medical facility where you can receive clinical care. If isolation in a medical facility is not possible and you are not in a high-risk group of developing severe disease, isolation can take place at home.
Is there any vaccine available?
Can you reword your statement? I'm not understanding.
Is there any vaccine?
I didn't get your meaning.
Is there any vaccine?
WHO issued an emergency use listing for the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine on December 31, 2020. On February 15, 2021, WHO issued rules for two versions of the AstraZeneca/Oxford COVID-19 vaccine, manufactured by the Serum Institute of India and SK Bio. WHO is on track to use other vaccine products through June.